Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where switch out of the S mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to reset Windows Update components. So how would you do that? We have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script. I'll show you. And then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally restart the services. So we will be sure that the services which are required to exit the S mode are working. Okay. After this, the next solution will be WS reset. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter, and this should fix the issues with Microsoft Store, and in this case you will be able to exit the S mode easily. And if that doesn't work either, then obviously the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section of the video. If not, then we will try to fix it. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.